But do you see yourself maybe in 3 years, you know, in 3 years kay Sarah?
Hopefully, Greg. Hopefully, if everything goes well, diba? You never know what's gonna happen next. Like Shaina, I know she's gonna find somebody soon.
Talaga? Talagang
Pinasa din naman niya sa akin.
napapag-usapan ng kasal.
Secret.
Ready ka na ba, if ever?
Oo nga eh, namawis siya.
So, parang uminit. Am I ready for that? I just have little things that I have to fix pa before to be totally ready for that.
Tsaka ready na ba si Sarah? Parang hindi pa yata. She has sayo.
Tingnan natin.
Pero may mga pa-cute kayo na, why pag pinasal tayo, mga gano'n. Pa-cute lang, yan pag-uusapan.
Ilang babies.
Alam mo, simula 20 years old pa ako gusto ko na pakasal na mga ganun 20 pa ako. So, yeah, I don't know I have like an old soul.
So gusto mo early ka na mag-family ever. Alam ni Sarah yan.
I think so.
Siya ba ganun din yung part niya? Magkaroon ng early...
Tatanungin ko mamaya, hindi ko ba.
Pero Mateo, di ba parang ang hirap mag-maintain ng relationship lalo na parehas kayong high profile, personality?
No, you know what? One thing's nice, talking about relationships and being in showbiz, if your partner understands what you're doing, it doesn't go to everybody, but for me, in my case, I have my time to work, to achieve my dreams and my work. That's why Sarah and I, we don't work together. Then we'd like to keep it separate, diba? So I can do things like this, working with Shaina, exploring different things, diba? This is work, eh. And my real life is real life, diba? That's why we'd like to really keep it separate. Kung dalawang mga bagay, hindi natin i-connect yung dalawa.
Paano yung nagagawa? Kasi di ba parang may para kayong busy, di ba? Ganyan.
Time.
You just have to trust yourself and FaceTime naman ito. So,
Talaga, sa FaceTime gano'n.
Independence ba ni Sarah ngayon is because of yung dahil din sa'yo nakatulong malaki?
well, I think it's because of her. It's because of her. She's growing to become a woman. And yeah, let's talk about single.